Alright guys, welcome to the very first video here that I'm doing on the Strat and how I use the Strat in my daily day-to-day trading. Um, so this is probably one of the simplest strategies. You can see, and this is how I trade, every day. This is what my charts look like. There's 0 indicators on here. The only indicator on here that you see is the Strat indicator. I'll leave the name of this indicator in the description of this video, but I'm going to go over the candles and the candle types and what they mean real quick. So a 1 candle that you can see right here is an inside candle. What this means is that this candle broke neither the high or the low of the previous candle. It just stayed inside, right? A 2 candle is a candle that broke either the high or the low of the previous candle. In this case, this is a 2. It broke the high of this candle. It makes it a 2. A 3 candle is a candle that broke the high and the low of the previous candle. All right, so you're going to need to know these 3 candle types in order to efficiently and effectively play this strategy. Now, what I have up here is Lucid's 15-minute chart from today, which is the 7th. I'm also going to be referring to a combo sheet, which I do have up on my Discord. It's in the trading education channel. If you just scroll up a little bit, you will find the Strat combos right here. So this is what we're going to be referring to. Most of the combos you're going to see in this video are going to be the 2-1-2s, whether that's bullish, bearish, and then you will definitely be seeing a lot of the 2-2 reverse, bullish, bearish. There's 1-2-2s in here too, I think. Let's see. But I am gonna this is in my Discord's education channel. You just scroll up a little bit, save it to your computer forever, refer to it every day. So I'm just gonna go over this Lucid 15-minute chart and how you could have used the Strat to trade this pretty much all day and gotten the most out of every single move on here, right? So opening range, this is yesterday's end of day chart, so you can see this right here. Yeah, this right here is where we start today. This is today's candle. But this is yesterday's. I just wanted to include this in here real quick. We're seeing a lot of downtrend yesterday, right? A lot of weakness. We're in this pretty big downtrend the entire day, and then we finally break down pretty bad. Now, how could you have identified a reversal here? So the first and foremost indicator here would be the 1 candle. Right, so let's say that you're in short, from wherever, and it comes down and this candle opens up. It's green and it's an inside candle. How do you know when to exit? I do not personally exit until this candle, the next candle that opens up, would break the high of this previous candle. So if it breaks the high of this 2 candle right here, that's my exit, because then what we're setting up for is a 2-2-2 bullish reversal, right? Which is going to be right here. Red 2 candle, another red 2 candle that breaks the low of the previous red, and then the next one opens green and you play the break of the high targeting the previous candle, right? So at this point I would still stay in. Now, 1 or inside candles are super easy to play. You just play the break of the high or the low, right? So in this case, this candle broke the high, so I would have entered in long right here. Stop loss would be the bottom of this candle. So let's say I enter in long on this break. This candle closes red. To anybody else, this might be a shooter candle on the 15-minute, which it is, but our rules say that we are not going to exit unless it hits the bottom of this candle. Realistically, this move from up here to down here on an options contract is probably like 10%. So it's still in confluence with our 10 to 20% stop loss on all day trades. So we're not losing anything there. Once this candle breaks up, you can pretty safely assume that we are going to have a 222 reversal. Whether it's, it doesn't always have to be this candle. It can play out later on. You can see over the course of these 4 or 5 candles, we did end up taking out that price target, which is the top of this candle, right? So we see that. Um, so you're in longs right here now. Okay, so this is your reversal candle. You're making lower lows, lower highs, and then you make a higher low. That's when there's a little bit of seller exhaustion. So that's, naturally that's when buyers start stepping in. So we ride this entire wave. There's no signal here at all during this entire trend that ever tells us to exit until here, and we'll get to that in a second. Um, so this candle right here, another red candle, might scare some people, but remember our stop loss is the bottom of these candles, right? So we continue on upwards. You see another inside candle here. Play the break of that. Okay. Now this right here would be a 222 reversal. This candle is red, but obviously still not exiting. Remember, our stop is right there. So come through, keep coming, and we smack the stop loss. All right. So at this point, you may choose to be out. Honestly, though, if you entered in longs at the bottom right here, you're still up decently. So this isn't necessarily, a big exit spot. You can see this candle closes here. You could choose to wait and see if there's some more bearish continuation. Doesn't look like it though. Obviously, the next candle opens inside again, and you can play the break. Like we said, just play the break of the high, and it seemed to do pretty well. So you continue on upwards, and right here you see some more exhaustion, and then a downtrend, right? How do you see the exhaustion? This is a 3 candle, so it broke the high and the low, but it is important to note that it broke the low. And then the next candle opened up inside. So we went from an uptrend to now we're just it's a straight line. So we're not really doing anything, obviously, end of day. That is on the 6th. Now on the 7th, there was this inside 15-minute candle that you could have played. We could have played the break up outside and took longs there. Let's say you didn't, because me personally, I don't like playing the first 15-minute candle, easy fake outs all day. So I don't personally play these. I would play something like this. Now, I'll show you exactly how. So, uptrend, uptrend, and we come below. Right, so this is a 2 candle, and this is another 2 candle down here. But what does this 2 candle tell you? This is a hammer. So you can see that buyers are very present here based off of this wick down here compared to the upper wick. Looks like a hammer. That's called a hammer. This shows bullish momentum. So typically on a hammer candle close, you see continuation over through the next few candles, which is what we see right here. This is also a 222 bullish reversal, right? 2-2 bullish reversal. Okay, so you can play this reversal, and the way you would play the strat reversal would be the break of this candle, targeting the high of this candle. Okay, so you play this entire break, it hits your price target. There still isn't really a signal for you to sell, so we're going to continue on this uptrend. Right now, at this point here, you can probably pretty safely assume that after running from 37 to 43, we're in 5 points today, that there's going to be some type of buyer exhaustion up here. So that's obviously first sign is the big red candle, and the next one opens green, and guess what? It is a hammer. Same exact setup as this one. So one can assume that this might be a 2-2 bullish reversal. No, it is, but we actually failed. So the reversal would be complete if this 2 candle hit the price target, which is up here. Unfortunately, did not hit that price target. We rejected and went down pretty hard. So this is a sign that the sellers are in, right? So this would be a pretty good sign to, if you're long, to sell your long position or take shorts. Let's say you took short here, you can continue this little downtrend here, and you can take profits. So what? As soon as this candle breaks the high of your previous candle, this 2 candle, because this is now a 2-2 bullish reversal, and it completes, you can see on this candle, it completes the entire reversal, right? So that is where you would exit your short position. From then onwards, it was just chop really for the rest of the day. So there's really nothing to be seen there. But without any indicators, that is how you could have played Lucid today on the 15-minute only.